taper. This is a 3/4 hose tail with an 1 1/16 JIC swivel nut designed to fit onto 3/4 hose. Yeah, now this hose can also come in 1 wire. We don't use a lot of 1 wire unless there's a weight or space limitation. I find 1 wire to be non-economical, really. I think 2 wire is a much more durable product. It lasts a lot longer, takes wear and tear a lot better, and for literally a couple of dollars a meter more, if that, it's well worth it. So we try and as much as possible use 2 wire, again, unless there's a weight or a space limitation or a flexibility